everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to auto flash your light on Once Human. In Once Human, the game has an auto flashlight feature so that your character's flashlight automatically turns on in dark areas. So in order to turn on the auto flashlight, first of all open up the Once Human game on your device. Once you're inside the main game screen, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, go to the Basics tab and under Common Settings under Basics tab, you'll see an Auto Toggle Flashlight button. Tap on the Yes button to turn on Auto Flashlight in Once Human. Once you have this turned on, the game will automatically activate your light in darkness. If you want to turn off the auto flashlight, then you can come back to this same page and click on No. So that's how you easily turn on auto flashlight in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.